Building a drug manufacturing facility costs $500 million, takes 5 years. And most biotech companies, they don't have either. That's where CDMOs come in. CDMO stands for Contract Development and Manufacturing Organization. Think of it as your outsourced drug development partner. A CDMO takes your molecule, your drug candidate, and turns it into a market-ready medicine. They handle formulation, process development, analytical testing, clinical trial supply, and commercial manufacturing all under one roof, all without you building a single facility. Here's why this matters. Drug development is expensive, it's complex, and it requires specialized expertise that most companies can't build in-house. CDMOs solve that problem. Instead of spending years and hundreds of millions on infrastructure, you partner with experts who already have the facilities, the talent, and the regulatory track record. You get speed, you get flexibility, and you convert massive fixed costs into variable costs tied to your actual program needs. That's why the global CDMO market is now worth over $230 billion and growing nearly 8% every year. Now, you might be wondering what's the difference between a CDMO and a CMO? A CMO, Contract Manufacturing Organization, handles production only. You bring them a fully developed process and they manufacture it. A CDMO does more. They develop the process and manufacture the product. So if you have a molecule but no formulation, you need a CDMO. If you already have a validated process and just need production capacity, a CMO might be enough. The D in CDMO is what makes the difference. Development is where the real value lives. So when should you work with a CDMO? You need one if you have a drug candidate but no manufacturing infrastructure. You're a biotech startup without internal development capabilities. Your pipeline includes complex modalities like biologics, cell therapy, gene therapy, or you simply want to accelerate timelines without massive capital investment. The right CDMO becomes more than a vendor. They become a strategic partner in getting your medicine to patients faster. At Percepture, we help CDMOs build the kind of visibility that gets them on shortlist before the RFP is even written. If you're a CDMO looking to improve your search rankings, AI visibility, and inbound pipeline, we should talk. Visit Percepture.com to learn more. And if this video helped you understand CDMOs better, hit subscribe. We break down life sciences marketing every week. Thanks for watching.